Gunna Nation, we lit. What's good, guys, man? It's your boy Artwork, man. Back with another reaction video. I will be reacting to Dude Perfect airplane trick shots. Hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get into it. Bang.
It's the triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Codes. Ready? It looks good. It feels good.
I'm feeling good.
Plane to the chest.
Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go.
What it's all about. Check it out. Check it out.
This is the Limbo Lander.
The Limbo Lander. It's good. It's good. Yeah.
Loop and land. That is awesome.
I'm on the big stage. I got my
Pilot Ty coming at you from the top level of DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs.
You ain't gonna hear that, y'all. You ain't gonna hear that.
Is the blind balloon.
You ain't gonna hear that.
show you
Here we
what
go,
it's
boy.
all about. Check it out.
No. No. Nah. You ain't do that. Just talking about take 10 times to do that.
This shot right here is about to be so lit, fam. I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
Oh, you look at that match.
I feel like Cody and Ty get a lot of credit for doing the trust shots.
We do.
I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this.
If you get this one, people are gonna like.
He
They'll like
go-
the video.
and he put
get
up-
this shot.
I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
We all do.
Headshot.
This is the no-looking looper.
Back of the head.
Show you what it's all about. Check it out.
He did it, bro. Yo.
I survived. I mean, come on,
No
huh?
doubt.
He did it.
This is your captain speaking. We no longer
Bro,
have
they
any
having
wings.
so much fun.
Got our modified plane, a couple wingtip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel roll. This
Me
is the
one
barrel
day.
roll.
Me one day. That is cool, bro. This is fire,
Amazing.
It's fire, bro.
This is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed. Pull your chute and I'll save you.
Got him.
Truth is,
Thought he
that
had
went a
it.
lot differently in our minds.
Thought he had it. Thought he had it. Got that supposed to do.
So much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang. Yikes.
Check me out.
Bro, what the gonna be me doing that? Hey. I'm at the channel Ross Perfect. So I'm gonna go Ross Perfect channel. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles.
Wow.
Here we go.
Rocket scientist, y'all.
This is the double bottle busting laser shot. We are bringing you innovations that have never been seen
Obviously,
before.
y'all was going to do
This is the banking gonger.
that. This song lit, bro. I like this. I'm copyright. I don't know how I'm doing that.
This is the
I
twin
ain't gonna
spin.
flip
Here we
out.
go.
I probably can do that in one shot.
Let's go.
Check me out.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to
Yo.
you quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International
Bro,
Source.
they've been practicing.
Let's go time.
They go away. Dude, perfect. That's the perfect. What's it? Let that bitch drop.
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before we go to our normal outro, as many of you know, Hurricane Harvey has hit our home state of Texas, and while being in Dallas, we're not directly affected. We've got plenty of friends and family that are, so we wanted to encourage you guys to join us in not only praying, but also donating by clicking here to the Red Cross. Be a huge help for the people involved. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here so you don't miss out on any awesome new videos. Also, our brand new merch just dropped. Backpacks, shorts, hats, tees, all kinds of new stuff. Make sure you click down here. Go check out the store. Also, if you want to see the last video, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it, noggin, see ya!
Bro, those dudes lit, y'all, man. Hey, I'm finna make a Ross Perfect channel, bro. Comment Ross Perfect in the comment section, bro. If y'all want to see it, bro, we finna get lit, bit. Anyways, good nation. We out. Peace.